Today, I'm going to show you how to create a picture-in-picture effect using a circular mask in CapCut.
Let's dive in. To begin, import your footage into CapCut. Start by adding your screen recording video to the bottom track and your talking head clip on top.
Next, select the upper clip, which is your talking head footage, and add a circular mask to this clip.
Now, adjust the circular mask to perfectly frame your face.
Move the mask to the center of your face, ensuring that it's evenly positioned and symmetrical. Next, move the clip to a position, such as the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Experiment with different placements to find the one that works best for your content.
The first step is to download the latest installer.
To give your circular mask an extra pop of style, consider adding a stroke around it.
One of my favorite techniques to enhance the circular mask is to create a copy of it, and then add a subtle effect. A gentle blur works particularly well, as it creates a soft, ethereal glow around the original mask. Now, select the middle clip and increase the size of the circle mask.
Press play to preview your video and see the final result.
Installer from the official GitHub repository. To do this,
Alternatively, you can also use an asset from the CapCut library.
You can also add a solid color stroke border to your circular mask. I'll be using Microsoft Paint to create a simple image file that will serve as the solid color stroke border. Select the color of your choice. Simply click on the color palette and pick the one that best suits your video's aesthetic.
Once you've created your solid color image file, import it into CapCut.
Replace the existing clip with the new image file, and then adjust the size and alignment to fit perfectly around your circular mask.
Make sure to position it exactly where you want it, and adjust the size to match the width of your mask. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can add a professional-looking circular mask to your videos using CapCut.